This is your plug mud right here. So yeah, this is just like pluff mud's just like everything that's dead, and it just kind of rests here. And it smells, pluff mud smells good. I don't think it smells too bad. You get used to it after a little while. It just smells like salt water, like stagnant salt water. Some good ones here. Yeah, if you weren't wearing like waders or big mud boots, you would probably hate yourself right now. I'll get back to you once we find some good ones. If you go out to get oysters, you better wear something that you don't mind getting dirty. Yeah. So what I learned is you gotta like good one there. Look, I just wanted to show you how deep this stuff can get. All right, I'm 6'1", and this stuff is up to my knees. So just to put it in perspective here, that's what we're dealing with. And if you don't watch it, you'll get stuck very, very fast. It's a lot like quicksand, so if you do come out and go through this type of mud and stuff, make sure you know what you're doing, or else it can get kind of bad. It's a workout in and of itself. When you're lugging 40 pounds of mud behind you, it's like wearing cement shoes. Eventually you come out of it and you look like that. So just be careful if you are in pluff mud and stuff like that. Just be mindful of what you're doing and stuff like that. Make sure somebody's definitely in sight, and always tell somebody where you're going and give them the coordinates or whatever, what have you. All right, so that's what we got right now. Whole bucket full, or about 75% full, and I think I'm gonna call it right there. I don't think many people are gonna eat it, and I've never had it before, so it's just an experiment for me. So next time, if I like it or something, get more people into it. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I get back to the house. So we washed them all out, cleaned them out, and this is now what we have: a bunch of clustered oysters. And now we're about to cook them up for you guys. We're going to do some on the half shell and some, what are we going to bake them? Boil them?
Boil them.
Okay, we're going to boil them.
Boil them in hot water and then put them in butter.
Okay, so that's what we're doing. I tried one earlier. I know I said I was going to give my genuine reaction, but I already tried one just to see if it was worth doing this. And I like them. They're pretty good. especially with hot sauce. So we're gonna see how this turns out, and we'll definitely show you guys the process and stuff like that. So stay tuned.
Oh, it's a crab.
Oh, it's a D crab. That little one?
Dead.
Oh yeah, I'm sure he's not doing too good now. Bait. Put that on a cracker, dude. I'll give you $10 to eat it.
Oh, it's a little stone crab.
Find it.
Look, it's a little stone crab from the oysters. I guess they just like hide in there. I don't want him to. I think he's dead. Yeah. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
No.
Oh, he's alive!
Oh, you got a crab on the loose. Hey.
That'd be funny. That's a bad idea.
You already knew where I was.
Yep. He said, all I heard is too, hey.
That's gonna be about pet crab now. We should get a pet crab. This is Herman. What should I do with Herman?
You should definitely name her something ER.
Oh, her leg fell off. One of them. Sorry.
My bad. Wasn't enough. And there's such thing as too much.
I think there is a little bit.
Nah.
I've definitely done that before.
With the ribbon fish.
Yeah.
If y'all ever eat ribbon fish, just
Don't eat ribbon fish.
do eat ribbon fish and kill it with the good old Tony Shares. Can't wait till everyone's like,
Shares.
he's
No,
an
what
idiot.
does he say? Who is it? Riff Raff or something that says it weird?
Is it?
I swear it is. Riff Raff says everything.
When does Riff Raff talk about Tony Shares?
On TikTok.
Oh yeah, he do be on TikTok.
Harper. Yo.
Harper?
Harper's a good name. I like that name. Skylar. Yeah. Piper. Yup.
There it is.
There it is.
Gotta be.
It's gotta be Piper. All right, Piper the stone crab.
Mishy, Peston Reese.
I don't even know where she's at. She's like a. How many legs do crabs have? 6.
6.
An
Oh.
insect.
That'd be fine.
Yeah. Can't wait to eat those barnacles.
Mm.
All right, guys. So this is what we're doing. We just got Old Bay in these pots. I'm just putting the clusters in there.
Waiting for them to open up, and then we're gonna put them in some butter with some more Tony Shares.
Tony, sponsor us.
Every video. Hey, sponsor. Not even sponsored.
So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. And once they get open,
Well, should not take very long at all.
we will shuck them, and then we will eat them. So now we just gotta wait. Dude, you can really do this any way you want to. We're just doing this.
Because we don't. It's really better on a grill, but since we're limited to the resources that we have, we're doing it this way.
Yeah, college kids.
Just trying to
We're just trying to have fun. All right, college kids want to eat oysters too, and Coastal's not allowing that for us.
I swear, I'm actually a professional chef.
He
I just
actually
feel
is.
like I don't know what I'm doing.
That's why I'm handing the reins off to him. That's why I'm handing the reins off to him. He knows what he's doing more than I do. I would just shuck these things and eat them raw, and I would probably end up being sick. But we already did that, so if we end up sick tomorrow, we know what it came from.
We're gonna do a tomorrow update before you post a video. It's like tomorrow update. We actually have been in bed all day. I can't get up.
Yeah, I might not post this if I'm like on the toilet all night. So.
With the
Yes, the bones.
You're like, it has no bones in it. We're good. And then it was
I thought I was a
bones.
professional fish cleaner, and I had like 3,800 bones in it. And yeah,
And
so
the entire fish.
I just took the skin off. That's all I did.
I just ripped the skin off, left the bones, whole fish, head and all. There was an eyeball in there. I don't know. Nah, I don't know.
Fish head stew. That was dangerous. I don't know why I did that.
You flip around a knife real quick. Had it. That's how many times you can flip it before you catch it.
Yeah.
I did one. Ooh, that was bad.
That's going right in your gut. Yep.
It's not really sharp though.
No, it's not. But I also.
But I know that if you catch it like this, it'll just.
I mean, that's obviously. Yeah, that. Don't crack a dude. You want to pick
No,
yours?
just give me any one.
I'll give you a big one.
Sure.
Ooh, what do we think? Good?
That gotta be good. Alright.
That's money, dude.
Money, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good.
You should try some.
I'm good.
I want you to try it. You can't, when you put it on a cracker, you don't even get the texture. Just go straight down with the hot sauce.
I'm good. It's working.
Alright.
Definitely a little grit in there, though.
Oh, no, that was good.
Alright. Now I'm gonna just eat one straight.
You want to go with spaghetti ice and...
Yeah. Alright, so now we just got oysters on the half shell.
We would have ice, but we needed it for something else. So
We got ice. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on there. That's what she looks like. Right there. Just gonna chow down. I hope she's.
hope there's no parasite in there.
Mm.
That's money, dude.
There it is. She's a little hot. A little bit.
More spicy?
Oh, a little bit. So yeah, overall very good. Ooh, the clam.
Oh, I'm gonna eat one. You're gonna eat one. We're gonna eat at the same time. Definitely need some hot sauce. with
Have
this.
you ever had clam?
Not like this. I've had clam.
Chowder.
Like, yeah, I've had clam chowder and I've had clam inside of restaurants.
Slide that back a little bit.
Seafood pastas, but never just on a cracker, so we'll see. Make sure you don't taste it.
It's like ravioli.
Yeah,
All right.
This is ravioli.
I like the oysters.
She's a little chewy, but she's not bad.
Yeah. We're still going.
Overall, though, I'm gonna have to give that a success.
Put that in some clam chowder.
We can do that. Oh, what am I doing? I need that.
But overall, very good. What you think?
I'm gonna have to give it a. You wanna give it an out of 10?
Just because I don't know what to expect, I'm gonna give it a 7.98.
9.8.
7.9.
We're going 2 decimals.
2.8.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought you were talking about 7.98.
No, no.
I was like, oh, we're going 2 decimal places.
No.
Let's go with. I'm a fan. I'm gonna have to go with a. Probably 8.2.
But like I was saying, this came out of Oaks Creek and Murrells Inlet. And I went out there today, and this wasn't what, 4 hours ago?
Yeah.
As fresh as fresh can be.
Yeah. So it's just good to know, like, it obviously tastes much better when you do it yourself and stuff. So
More rewarding.
yeah. So I highly recommend going out and doing that. It was very fun. I was sweating out there. It was very strenuous, but
A bit of a workout.
yeah. But just go out there and do that, and it definitely pays off. It's definitely good from somebody that's never had it before. It's really good. So oysters will definitely be high on my seafood list now. So, but yeah, we'll catch you next time.